Hello there, very good afternoon to you. We are expecting dry weather for the rest of today and actually perhaps brighter and sunnier this afternoon with some cloud thinning out. Another warm day, a bit milder actually than yesterday with highs of 23 degrees. The winds are calm as well this afternoon, so feeling pleasant where we do get the sunshine with a high UV of 8. Heading into tonight, it will be staying dry, but a cloudier picture than we've been used to, with some mist patches possible as well. And that's going to give way to a bit of a grey and a cloudy start tomorrow, with sort of murky conditions, that mist perhaps lingering in the morning. There's the chance tomorrow we may get some brighter or sunny spells into the afternoon, but also the chance of 1 or 2 showers, and some of those could have a thundery element as well. So all really a bit of unsettled and changeable picture tomorrow. It is so going to be feeling warm once again, highs of 23 to 25 degrees, and the winds generally light to moderate. Taking a look at our outlook then, we can see that on Thursday, another bit of a mixed bag, some brightness but showers with cloudy conditions possible, but turning more settled towards the end of the week and as we make our way towards this weekend.
And we find a lily in the lavender in St Brelard.
A lovely sunny day, which is obviously looking very appropriate. We've got Lily out in, I think we can all guess that that is a lavender field. So where exactly are you, Lily?
Yes, a bit of a clue by the plants around me. I'm at Jersey Lavender Farm in St Brelard, and it is absolutely stunning here. We've got beautiful pop of purple colour with all the lavender, and not just that, but the smell is amazing as well. Really refreshing. I wish actually there was a way that we could transmit the smell through the television screens, because it is lovely. And no surprise, because the word lavender actually comes from the Latin word lave, which means to wash. Of course, this is a scent that is fresh smelling that we use in a lot of our soaps. So really lovely, on site on all of the senses, and plenty of sounds as well to hear as well. Birds tweeting, chickens scratching around as well. There's been lots of insects too, because it's not just us that likes the smell of lavender. It's great for our pollinators also, so bees and butterflies. One actually landed on me just earlier, a lovely butterfly, and I've seen a squirrel down here as well, so you can tell it is a really great place for our wildlife.
And Lily, it is looking absolutely stunning in the sunshine, as are you, of course. But what kind of weather does lavender like?
Well, actually, the conditions like we had today, so dry and sunny weather is good for the lavender, and warm conditions as well. They like sort of the sandier soil, and they can do okay in a drought, so they're not doing too badly. And actually, these will be harvested in the next few weeks to make some lavender oil too. In terms of our weather, we've got a little bit of unsettled weather to come over the next few days, but then high pressure moving in as we head towards the weekend. But let's get all the details now. Well, we have had some fine weather today with bright and dry conditions, but as we head into tomorrow, it is all looking a little bit more unsettled. Overall, we're expecting it to be a cloudier day with some mist and fog patches possible as well. Quite how widespread the mist and fog is going to be is a little unclear at the moment, but do be mindful of that. It could well cause some travel disruption. It should though be a warm day, and if you're lucky, there still may well be some brightness or some sunshine around, as well as a chance of 1 or 2 showers. Back to tonight though, things staying dry, and we are expecting some cloudy conditions to start moving in, as well as possibly some of those mist patches as we head towards dawn, and a fairly mild night with minimum temperatures of around 15 degrees. So heading into tomorrow, as I mentioned, a more cloudy and grey day with possibly some mist and fog. That's more likely if you are in Guernsey and Alderney. Jersey may well get some brightness and some sunny periods, perhaps all islands a bit brighter later on in the afternoon, and the winds generally light to moderate. It is going to be a fairly warm day with highs of 25 degrees. Notice there are a few showers in the vicinity. You could be unlucky and be hit by 1 or 2 of those as well, and there's a chance of some thundery elements in the mix as well. Let's get our times of high water then, between around 7 AM and 8 AM, later on between 7 and 8 PM, with the sea temperature now at 16.6 degrees. So taking a look at our outlook, a roundup of the next few days, all a bit unsettled and changeable through tomorrow and Thursday. There could be some cloudy conditions and some mist or fog, as well as some showers, but some brightness here and there as well, and all settling down with some fine and dry conditions as we make our way to the weekend. Hello there, very good evening to you. Well, today we've had some fine and settled conditions with bright conditions as well, but heading into tomorrow, all a bit more changeable. It's looking like a cloudier day overall. There's a chance we could see some mist and fog as well. Quite how persistent and widespread that's going to be is a bit uncertain, but do be mindful there could be some travel disruption. It is though going to be a warm day, and if you're lucky, you can catch some brightness or some sunshine. Still though, the chance of showers in the mix, possibly with some thundery elements. But back to the rest of tonight though, and it should be staying dry, if a bit on the cloudy and the overcast side. We are expecting maybe some mist patches to start appearing as we head towards dawn, and that's going to set the scene for a grayer, cloudier and misty start tomorrow. As I mentioned, the chance of fog as well. That's more likely for Guernsey and Alderney, but if you're lucky, could well catch some brightness or sunny periods later on throughout the day. There are a few showers around. Again, the chance that one or two of those may pass over us, perhaps with some thunder too. But another warm day, maximum temperatures of 22 to 25 degrees and that very high UV of 8.